Hi everyone, I just wanted to record a quick video to talk about the overview of EDU 484 and to kind of give you kind of a place of kind of understanding what's happening in the course so far. So we're sitting in Module 2, or finishing Module 2, going into Module 3. I know my screen says Module 3, but I wanted to highlight this. Module 2, we started talking about the problem. We started talking about your challenge, trying to figure out what issues are happening on your site. In Module 3, we're going to start looking at your design challenge and figuring out what does that design challenge look like and really kind of playing around with that. Then, as we keep moving, you're going to be an inspiration. So think back to 396 when we started talking about inspiration, ideation, and implementation. So if you go back to those templates that you create on inspiration, you're going to see we talked about all of this information. So starting in Module 4, we're going to start looking at secondary research. We're going to start looking at your surveys. We're going to start looking at interviews and then immersing yourself in your surrounding and in your area. So again, modules 1 and 2, we start here, framing, figuring out. Module 3, we move forward with design challenge. So we're in this area. As we finish this area in Module 4, Module 9, we're going to come into capture your learning and figure out what does that mean? Like, what is all the stuff you've looked at? What does that mean? And how do we create a solution that's informed and that's going to meet the challenge and kind of solve that challenge? Because the goal here is to create a solution that works. So all that research is going to help us build this better, capture the learning. And then we go in and we start into, after you've captured your learning, then we start generating ideas on how can this be really productive from what we learned. So those surveys, the interviews, the immersion activities, then you're going to take that and then you're going to generate ideas. We're going to come up with some prototypes. We're also going to look at the feedback and refinement to figure out, how do we make this work? How do we make this really a good solution that's going to solve that problem? Then you're going to select an idea, and then we go into the rapid prototype. At the end of this is going to be Module 14, and then we're going to get ready for 498, where you're actually implementing your solution. So don't think right now that, I need a solution and I need to get ready to implement it. No, you have all semester to really think about these two areas. Inspiration, gathering the ideas, making it a really strong idea, and then as we move towards the latter part of the semester, we're going to put into ideation and really think about what are those ideas and how do they transfer into a workable solution to the problem. So hopefully this layout helps you to understand where we're going in this course and how things are following and how things are flowing throughout the course. Again, let us know if you have questions. We are here to support you.